Hi everyone, Greg here. It's time to run through setting up your new 3D printer. Exciting times. Plug in the power and turn on the printer. Wait for the main menu to appear. Hopefully, the last school unloaded the filament before packing. Please remember to do this when you pack up your printer. The next school will thank you for doing this simple task. On the printer's main menu, select Prepare, then Filament, and then Change. You'll need to wait for the nozzle to heat up. The menu screen will show the nozzle temperature as it heats up. If the filament was still loaded from the previous school, it will now unload. If it was unloaded, great. The printer will still try to unload the filament. So just let it do its thing until the menu shows a printer image with a next button underneath. Check the end of the filament. It should be a nice, neat cut. If it looks long, thin and wriggly, cut the filament a short distance behind this so that it's a nice clean cut. Also check that the filament is not crossed over itself on the spool, as this will jam the printer during a build. Unloop the filament and insert the spool into the filament holder. Insert the nicely cut off end into the filament extruder hole indicated by the yellow arrow, and then select the next button. Look at the filament spool and it should start to unwind as the filament gets drawn into the printer. Do not select the complete button yet, rookie mistake. Now look through the front of the printer at the nozzle and wait for the filament to feed out of the printer nozzle. Note, it will take a couple of minutes, so be patient. Let the thin extruded filament make a small pool of filament on the print bed. Now, if the filament doesn't come out in a long line of filament, you might see the filament balling around the nozzle. Note, the nozzle is hot, 220 degrees C, so don't touch it with your fingers. Use a piece of paper or a cloth to wipe the nozzle, and hopefully this will allow the filament to feed out in the long vertical drop of extruded filament we want. Now select the complete button on the menu. Remove the excess filament from inside the printer. You're now ready to print. The flexible print bed installation is up next. Warning, if the printer has been used, the print bed might be hot. Check this by waving your hand above the print bed but not touching it. If it feels a little bit hot, then wait until it cools. The print bed heats up to a maximum of 110 degrees Celsius, so it can burn your fingers. So don't touch it. Check that the flexible print bed is seated correctly on the build platform. This is really important. It needs to have the 3 blue handles on both sides and the front. At the rear of the build platform are 2 slots that the flexible build plate slots into. Check that the build plate is seated correctly and is flat and not sitting at an angle. Now that's out of the way, it's time for leveling or calibrating the print bed. Navigate back to the main menu, select Maintain, and then Calibration. Choose the normal mode. You'll need to find the leveling guide that is in the toolkit. It's a thin metal device that will be used to space the tip of the nozzle the perfect distance from the print bed. This is a semi-manual process. Wait for the print head to position itself in the middle and close to the print bed, and a leveling adjustment screen appears on the printer screen. You need to slide the leveling guide between the print bed and the nozzle. This is a feel thing, so try and slip the guide between the nozzle and the print bed so that there is just the slightest bit of resistance. Use the on-screen adjustment arrows to move the nozzle up or down to get the nozzle the correct distance for successful printing. If the guide won't go under the nozzle, then you need to move the nozzle up. If it fits too easily, i.e. no slope resistance, then it's too far away from the print bed, and the nozzle needs to be moved down, closer to the print bed. Use the 0.1 or 0.5mm movement for big moves, and then use the finer 0.05mm adjustment to get the nozzle height just right. You should feel a slight dragging when the height is perfect for printing. When the height is perfect, select Next, and then Yes to the question, do you want to continue 9-point levelling? As the print head moves to each of the new locations, repeat the levelling process with the levelling guide. When all 9 points are levelled, select Complete and then navigate back to the main menu. You're ready to print your first test print. Now we can get some printing done. There's lots more support resources in the stem.T4L library and on our YouTube channel. We'd love to hear how you and your students are using this kit. So join the conversation with other teachers like you in the Facebook group or on the Yammer community. Just search for stem.T4L.